Well, welcome back, guys. It's me, Indiana Jones, once again, and Captain Jack Sparrow.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
And all his loveliness here. And we're going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. And I thought it would be fun to teach you about other Irish beers. Everybody knows about Guinness. And we're going to have Guinness, but we're going to have some other Irish beer alternatives. So go to your local liquor store and try to find these beers and try them out and mix and match your six-pack for St. Patrick's Day. And it's on a Saturday. Yay, we get to party. All right.
Every day's a party day.
There you go. There you go. Especially when you're Irish, which I'm not. Don't let the Jones fool you. I'm totally Cuban. It's the same thing. We come from a small island. They dance a lot.
From the Caribbean.
Yes, exactly. So we dance a lot. We're Catholic. And we like to party. What's the difference? Irish, Cuban, Puerto Rican, same thing, right?
Caribbean.
There you go, Caribbean. So, the Irish of the Caribbean. Instead of Pirates of the Caribbean, we're Irish of the Caribbean today. So, first beer that we're gonna try, let's go with Guinness. Since everybody knows Guinness, but let's try, this is the 200th anniversary stout. Not that it's, Guinness has been around for 200 years, but this is an original stout they had from 200 years ago. So you can see it's a nice caramel rich color. Look at that. Oh, are you getting this? Look at that, it looks like a Malta. And if you're Cuban or Hispanic, you know what a Malta is. So you want to give that a try? I'll get my own test. It's probably gonna knock me out. By the time I'm done with this, I'm gonna be knocked out. I'm just gonna have a little sip because this is potent. You drink it all? Oh my goodness.
It was quite good last. Quite good.
Wow, that is thick, it's rich.
It's not quite as strong as the rum, but
not as
so
quite
it'll look it.
But it was colored like the rum. At least it was colored like the rum. All right, ready for the next one?
Hit me.
Hit you. Okay, Smithwick's. It's another wonderful beer, also from Ireland. It's a little lighter. It's an ale. I think it's an ale. Look at that lovely color. Nice little foam. It's like we're beer connoisseurs.
What does one of these beer connoisseurs do?
Drink beer.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that one's lighter.
I love the foam.
You like the foam on that one? Okay.
It's like the sea.
Now, like the foam of the sea, so that's your Smithwick's. Now the next one is, if you like your redheads. Here's an Irish red.
Redheads, black-hairs, all the ladies are my favorites. But I love myself some redheads.
Yes,
redheads.
Unfortunately, not the favorite of a lot of ladies. That's all I'm gonna say. You get yourself in a lot of trouble, Mr. Jack Sparrow. Mr. Jack Sparrow. I'm sorry, Captain Jack Sparrow.
Captain.
Well, here we go, Captain. With O'Hara's Irish Red, because it's not Irish unless you got an O in front of it. O'Hara. So if you're Hispanic, you just go by O Garcia. O Garcia. O Sanchez. You know, that'll be fun. Oh my goodness, you're gonna die by the time we're done with this show if you keep drinking all this beer.
I have a strong tolerance.
You have a strong tolerance. Okay, I gotta keep up with you. Here we go. So, O'Hara's Irish Red, it's a little lighter, but... Oh, I like that one. Very smooth. Yeah?
It's smooth, it's not quite the Guinness.
Not quite the Guinness. Okay, well, now we know that Ireland is the place of stories, right? Storytelling and fairy tales and fairies and, you know.
Mermaids?
Mermaids. Yes, mermaids actually come from stories from Ireland and Scotland.
Mermaids are not quite what you think they are.
No, they're not. They're evil, vicious little things. I don't know why they always make them all pretty, and I mean, when they've been written, they kill like sailors and stuff. They're not nice. So I decided let's bring in some hobgoblin.
Hobgoblin.
Hobgoblin. This is a nice one also for you Harry Potter fans out there. And it's a nice ale.
What is a Harry Potter?
Harry Potter is a wonderful series of a young boy who was very magical. He was a warlock? No, he was a witch. What the heck was he?
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'll tell you about the story later. But no, we're trying some hobgoblin. I gotta keep up with you. Take it easy, take it slow. These are all very rich. You know, in Ireland, you don't see any of these Corona things that look like, you know, it's real beer. Put some hair on your chest, or for me, some chest on my chest.
No hair on your chest.
Ooh.
I'm quite enjoying this one.
I like this one. Okay, I got a surprise for you now. So you want rum, right? Now you know about Guinness, but do you know about Gun and Innis? You okay there? You're right there.
It's fine.
This is, come closer, come closer. So this is Innis and Gun, and what does it say there?
Rum aged.
It's rum-aged beer. I had to get this. So this is from Scotland. Scotland, where everything is better than everywhere else. That's what I understand.
I'm very interested in this one.
Isn't this cool? I thought this was very cool. Wrong side. There's nothing like that sound. I'm keeping all of these. These are cool. Ooh, that's a nice color. I like to show off the color. They're all like the same kind of color. It's like a nice amber. Is it rummy?
It's in the light.
Is it rummy? Ooh, it's sweet. It smells sweet. Ooh, it's a different flavor.
Do you not like it?
I like it. It's just different.
I'm quite enjoying
It's
this.
very different.
There's a hint. I can taste the hint of the rums.
Really? Well, you're good at the hints of rum. Oh my gosh. Is it good?
Yes.
You're really gonna be straggling later. Okay, now last one, last but not least, because we got a 6-pack. It's Wexford. Wexford. Try to say that a couple of times after having a couple of these. Wexford. So this is Irish style cream ale. And this is very surprising when you serve it. Because it's creamy.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Look at that.
Froth.
Okay. It's very frothy because it's very, very creamy. It's like almost like beer with ice cream. I'm not kidding you. Look at this. Isn't that the weirdest thing? Look at this. It's like Irish cream and beer. It's very different. Try it.
What sorcery is this?
I know, right? But it's good. I liked it. Look at that.
I will drink this one slow for you.
You'll drink it slow for me.
For St. Patrick's Day.
For St. Patrick's Day.
And
God
for the
bless
rum.
St. Patrick. Got rid of all the snakes in Ireland. There are no snakes. There are
Ooh.
snakes in Ireland. Do you like that one? It's different.
It is quite soft.
Yeah, it's gentle. It's very creamy. It's a creamy cream ale. It's like definitely, right? It's different than regular
it
beer.
is different.
It is different than like regular
It
beer.
is not so pungent.
No, it's not. It's very, very good. Now, another thing. Wait, oh, good. I'm sorry. I don't know if it's a bad influence. Well, I've done cocktails before for, you kids watch me. Don't drink. If you're under 21, don't drink. If you're over 21, go for it. And drink responsibly. Anyway, like, don't be driving any, like, ships or boats or anything. Or dinghies.
Do not drive the Black Pearl on the sea.
There you go. There
It's
you
only
go.
for Captain Jack Sparrow.
Now, you can only operate when you're drunk.
It is, yes. It is just one of those things.
Yeah.
I cannot. The more intoxicated one becomes, the better ship navigator. Only for Captain Jack Sparrow.
Only Captain Jack.
Only Captain Jack Sparrow.
Yeah, exactly. So anyway, guys, when you're getting ready for St. Patrick's Day, don't just pick up a Guinness and think you're done. Be adventurous, just like the Irish are. So, anyway, guys, we'll be right back. I don't know what we're gonna do next, but we're gonna do something, because I gotta finish this show. But we'll be back.
Some more beer for her.
Probably, no more beer for me. We'll be back.